This song is dedicated to Brian, Dennis, and all of the 57th Street Road Dog villains. Real riot makers.
This one right here for the riot makers, the Martians, the surfers, and jawbreakers.
We gon' start this shit alright. We got Casey and Mo in the house tonight. We gon' start this shit alright. We got Ted Canita in the house tonight. Come on. This is the moment for riders and thugs, strippers and body bags, zippers and violence and drugs. Poverty, a bunch of minorities die in the club. They say my music's making them lose it, I write it in blood. This is my music for all my people missing my music. Keep listening to it, and like I said, get a pistol and use it. Satan shot my homie Maintain with a missile and blew it for the industry, cause he was one of the truest. I don't know why they be bumping, there's something maybe in the music. Wanna be bumping, it's crunking, it's hella haterific. Throw your set up in the air is all the DJ really wanna play when it's over. It's looking bloody and satanistic. Killers from everywhere, listen to me when I be busting shit. I'm turbulent, I'm getting nervous when I wreck arenas. Concert promoters in Honolulu don't wanna see me, cause they said that Samoans will riot off Tekanina. Cause I'm a ride maker, that's if you don't know. I'm a ride maker, they mosh at my show. I'm a ride maker, and I come out bustin'. I'm a ride maker, riot maker, I don't give a damn about nothing.
Slide freaker, skyscraper.
Ride maker.
Hop in the mosh pit for show. You push your show, you get elbowed.
Back on, cause this is for Fat Tone and Mac Dre. All of the soldiers who got gone on that day. All my people sitting in prison, this is for you, so won't you listen to the shit that I'm spitting. Fuck the law, man, the government, they'll hem your ass up. They'll do everything in their power to get a fast buck. No right or wrong, just killer bees out for your honeycomb. But you find out when you find out you can be free if your money long. Ever been to one of my shows? Yeah, it might be crazy. In Ohio, what you got a little too hypey, baby. Stage diving and crowd surfing couldn't hold back, but they dropped her, now she's unconscious with her skull cracked. Now when this happened, it wasn't even during my set. They wanted me to give a sign to post her to the hospital bed. When Travis told me we got papers, I thought he was playing. This bitch is suing Tekanina for 100 grand. Ride maker, that's if you don't know. I'm a ride maker, they mosh at my show. I'm a ride maker, and I come out bustin'. I'm a ride maker, riot maker, I don't give a damn about nothing.
Slide freaker, skyscraper.
Ride maker.
Stand back if you're frightened. Yeah, get back on the fight.
I'm a skyscraper, that's why everybody in my past is trying to get a little piece of my paper. Man, I swear that Nina will never love them. Plug them, I'm rolling with Scatterman and Snug Brown.
It's Scatterman, Cash Strange Music's Black Sheep. Why? Cause I'm still counting money off the back streets. Every city, every show, I got a pack heat. This ain't no fucking rap song, check my rap sheet. I'm one of a kind, turn 1 into 9. Blow your head off your shoulders, dog, it's nothing but time. And I never raise my voice, you a bum, why should I holler on you? With a whisper, I can drop a couple of dollars on you. Sick them rock wallers on you. Killers busting out the windows and collars on you. A made man in the streets, I made grands. Wrote lyrics about my life, dropped the album and made fans. Now I'm chilling on the tour with the Redhead Wonder. D57 shows in a 3-month summer. On the deuce, next bitch ass nigga fucking with tech. Gon' get found in Swole Park with his nuts in his neck.
Like you ain't know we put it down like this. Snug Brim, Kansas City, Missouri, Uzi, groupie, doobies, and 50 Susie Q's. Ain't no excuse for the sin. So watch your tongue if you're whooping, I get to shoot. And for you and your